What's good?
The fan stopped working in the front because the coolant temp sensor wiring broke. Finally did it myself. Thanks to Abdul, he kind of showed me how to do it. I did that. And then in the meantime, I wired my turn signals. Now my turn signals work because I haven't had turn signals for almost a year. Because those broke too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So that's cool. Car's good. Yeah, it's good. Everything's good. It leaks oil from the valve cover. I gotta do that. My oil change, I gotta do that soon. There's a bunch of stuff, but I don't really care. I wanted to just drive it today and enjoy it. So you guys are gonna come with me. I'm gonna vlog it all on my little VHS camera I have. I'm sorry, I feel I have not been doing anything. I've just been working and slaving away. And I lose all my energy. So I was like, let me just take my camera out and show you guys what's up. So bro, I'm an idiot. It's closed. It's closed. Bro, look, it's a Monday and it's not even Thanksgiving yet and it's closed. Bro, what? I came here to cancel my membership and they're closed. They want to keep my goddamn $10, bro. They want to keep it. They closed the freaking export to keep my $10 damn. Bro, this parking lot's usually freaking full. Oh, hell no, bro. That's so dumb. Anyways, well, I guess they're gonna be closed or something this week. I don't know. That's so stupid. Whatever. Car looks good though. This shit should not say Export Fitness. It should say Export Finesse Express. Finesse? Hold on. Finesse. It should say Finesse Express. Also, I'm parking here. I don't care. Because this car is fire. Woo! God damn, boy. Also, that's not good. Yeah, man. It's on both sides. This one's even worse. I'm just really cheap, dude. I'm cheap. I know I shouldn't cheap it on tires, but like, bro, money is expensive out here, dude. Nah, I'm gonna order them. I don't want to, but I'll order them. I need to order a heater core, tires, sway bar bushing, and that's about it for right now. It could do like a little more lower in the rear, just a little bit, but I don't wanna roll my fenders. I don't wanna do that. I'd like not. If I had a car that did, you know, I would lower a lot more. But I mean, right now it's really good actually. I mean, it rubs like a tiny bit because my suspension sucks ass. It sucks, like genuinely sucks. But then again, I bought it for 130 bucks, 140 bucks. So I can't really complain that much, but hey, it looks good. Like that's honestly not a bad gas for just lowering springs. Like look, that's not terrible, not terrible. And yeah, you can see I haven't rolled them, but yeah, man, it looks good. Maybe I could do like tiny spacer, maybe, but. I mean, it looks pretty good right now. I like it. Yeah, man, it's a good car. I love it, but it needs a lot of work though. AC doesn't work. It blows. It blows. Like I mean, yeah, it blows. Doesn't blow cold air though. Get like the brushed vents everywhere, and just maybe brush this or like the rev limiter face. Woo! My God! And I gotta get rid of this crusty ass climate control thing. Bulbs need to get changed because this is on the max. This is going low. This is max, and there's just you can see it. It's just very low. You know what I mean? I'm thinking about getting maybe the rev limiter faces too, or oh man, the AWB cluster or whatever. I don't know. There's one on Facebook, dude. That shit's 400, 700 bucks, dude. God damn. And then the Nakame center console looks tough. I wanted to get the black one with the brushed accent on it, but that's tax. I wanted the aluminum. I don't even have a fucking. I don't have a speaker cover anymore because it broke. The little plastic thing broke. Right here, look, you can see it. It's just there. That's broken. My rear view mirror has like doo-doo stains on it. I don't know. I can't even get those out. My dash is cracked. Look, my dash is cracked. This is broken. People are like, oh yeah, your car's so clean. Oh, your car's so clean. I like Miata. Your car's so clean. Hell no, boy. Hell no. Look. More cracks. More cracks than a 240 dash. Maybe not. Look. I think it's because of this dumb shit. Whoever added this. The tonneau cover. Look, come on, man. Little things. There's little things. How much? There's just a random ass dude walking by and I'm scared. I don't think he's doing anything though to me. I think we're chill. Yeah. What the fuck? He's a flip phone. He's a flip phone in 2024. Didn't pull me over. He didn't get mad at me. Hey, W cop. Finally, for once around here.